the design of high pass filter and so with the equivalent circuit we had a discussion about the working principle of the same. So today we'll take few problems on the same and then we'll go for the design of the next type of the filter circuits. So problem number 1. So design a high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 10 kilohertz with a pass band gain of 1.5 full stop. Also plot the frequency response for the same. So here they are given FL as 10 kilohertz. So FL is 10 kilohertz they have given. So first step is you have to choose the capacitance value. If the capacitance value is not given, I told, so you have to choose the capacitance value which is a smaller value of the capacitance, 0.01, 0.02, whatever it is. I have chosen here 0.02 microfarad. So we know that cutoff frequency FL for the filter it is 1 divided by 2 pi RC equation. So you know FL value and you know capacitance value, so substitute here and find out the value of the R here. Okay, R you calculated. Okay, now in the second step the pass band gain is given as 1.5. pass band gain is AF is 1.5, it is given. Okay, and all the types of the filters which we are designed so are of non-inverting amplifier. So gain equation for non-inverting amplifier is AF is equal to, sorry, inverting amplifier, it is AF is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1. Okay, so here AF is 1.5, AF is 1.5 and so substitute 1.5 in this equation. So 1.5, just to take 1 to the left hand side, so it is 0.5. RF divided by R1 is equal to 0.5. So RF is equal to 0.5 times the R1. Okay, now choose R1 is 10 kilo ohm. Okay, it is also choose R1 is equal to 10 kilo and substitute R1 value in the above RF. So RF will be 5 kilo. Okay, this is how you have to calculate the values of RF and R1. Now, so in the problem they are also asked you to plot the frequency response characteristics of the same. Okay, so for that we have derived the expression for the magnitude of the gain. In the previous class we have derived the expressions for the magnitude of the gain, that is V0 divided by Vn is equal to AF into bracket of F divided by FL whole divided by square root of 1 plus F divided by FL square. This is the gain equations which we derived in the previous class. Okay, so now you just make a column, 3 columns. Okay, the first column is F and the second is V0 divided by Vin, that is this one, V0 divided by Vin here. So magnitude of V0 by Vin, so this is the magnitude is 20 log of this one in terms of dB, sorry, it is a magnitude of V0 by Vin, it is V0 by Vin in terms of dB. Okay, so here you have to vary F is the operating frequency of the filter and FL in this equation is the lower cutoff frequency. So the lower cutoff frequency value is already given in the problem, that is 10 kilohertz, 10k. Okay, 10 kilohertz. Okay, so F is operating frequency. For different value of operating frequency you have to find out V0 divided by Vin, then you have to find out the V0 divided by Vin in terms of dB. Okay, just substitute, wait for a few minutes. So F is 10 kilohertz, it is given in the problem. FL is 10 kilohertz which is given in the problem, and F is the operating frequency. So for F 10, 100, 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000, 30,000, 1 lakh for a different values of F, and FL will be remain same, that is 110 kilohertz. Okay, for different value of this you just have to find out V0 by Vin, then find out the gain. So after finding out of this gain you have to plot the frequency versus gain. So frequency response characteristics is nothing but it's a graphical representation of variation of the gain with respect to frequency. Okay, so here you have to plot the frequency versus gain. It is a frequency and the gain. So frequency I have taken, it is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 something. You just take frequency versus this one, and the gain you take gain values. Just choose this proper scale. Then first is 10 kilohertz, it is minus 56. So 10, it is 56 minus 56. Okay, and for 100 it is 36. 100 it is 36. Okay, so likewise you just mark the points and just plot the frequency response characteristics. Okay, this is how you have to plot the frequency response characteristics if they are asked you to plot. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, next, so such type of problems definitely you may expect in the exams. Okay, now okay, so next type is the second order high pass Butterworth filter. Next type of the filter is second order high pass Butterworth filter. So this is the second order high pass. So in the previous class we have discussed first order high pass Butterworth filter. It is a second order high pass Butterworth filter. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit diagram of a second order high pass Butterworth filter, and it is a frequency response characteristics. High pass filter, it is passing the higher frequency signals and block the low frequency signals. So the analysis of this circuit is similar to that of the second order low pass filter. Just recall the your second order low pass filter circuit, and this circuit will be almost resembles same. So by just interchanging the position of the capacitors of the and the resistance, you can make a second order Butterworth filter. Okay, so that is why the derivations for the second order low pass Butterworth filter will be same as that of the first order second order high pass Butterworth filter will be same as the second order low pass Butterworth filter. Okay, that is why I am not giving once again the derivations. The derivation of this will be similar to that of your second order low pass Butterworth filter. Okay, so just I am writing directly the value of V0 by Vin after deriving the expression. Just refer to the derivations of second order low pass Butterworth filters. Okay, just I am writing directly V0 by Vin is equal to AF divided by square root of 1 plus FL divided by F whole to the power 4, where F is the operating frequency and FL is the lower cutoff frequency. Okay, so based on this we have some once again the problems based on this second order high pass Butterworth filter. Okay, here just refer to the problem statement. So for the circuit shown in the figure, determine the lower cutoff frequency and then plot the frequency response of the filter. Okay, so here the circuit is given and all the parameter values is also given here. That is RF, R1, capacitance value, everything it is given. Okay, so now from the figure, so from the figure it is R2 and R3 is equal to 11 kilo ohm. So here it is R2 and R3 is 11 kilo ohm, and C1 and C2 is 0.01 microfarad. Okay, C1 and C2 is micro this one. So we know that the FL is equal to 2 pi root of R2 R3 C1 C2. So if all the resistances are equal, it is FL is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC. Here also all the resistance and capacitances are equal. Here it is also equal to FL is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi RC. Just substitute all other values and calculate the FL here. FL is, you got 1.408 kilohertz. Okay, this is the lower cutoff frequency of your filter. Okay, now so they are also asked you to plot the frequency response of the filter. So frequency response of the filter, if you want to plot the frequency response, you have to have a gain equations. Okay, so gain equation which you already derived. So gain equation, it is AF divided by 1 plus square root of 1 plus FL divided by F whole to the power 4. It is a gain equations which we derived in the above. Okay, so where AF is equal to 1 plus RF divided by R1, so it is 1 plus RF value is given 27.5, R1 which value is also given 47 kilo ohm. Just substitute and calculate the AF here. Okay, after calculating AF, substitute, wait, after calculating AF, substitute AF FL value, it is you calculated here 1.408. F is once again operating frequency. So for a different value of F, so you have to calculate V0 by V in and then V0 by V in terms of dB. So similar problem how you did for the other type of the filters. So here for a different value of F it is 10, 100, 500,000, 10,000, 30,000, 1 lakh something. So for different value of this F, okay, you have to calculate V0 by V in, then you have to calculate V0 by V in terms of gain, dB in terms of dB. So after calculating all these values, you have to plot the curve here. So plot the curve. So frequency response, so take a frequency along x-axis and the gain along y-axis. So here it is. So for different frequency and the gain values I have given here, different gain values. Just for these readings you plot the graph. Okay, so for say I am taking it is 10, it is minus 81, so it is 10, it is minus 81 dB. So for 100 it is 41 dB, 100 it is 41 dB. So 10,000 it is 4 dB, 4 dB. So you just have to plot according to your reading. After this your FL value is how much? It is 1.4 kilohertz. So FL will be your 1.4 kilohertz. So you have to choose the proper scaling and you have to get the values. Okay, this is how you have to find out the. So this type of the problems they may ask you in the exams. So to plot the frequency response characteristics of a different types of filters. Okay, we have to be ready with this type of the very simple problems. So you have to for V0 by Vin you have to substitute the required values and you have to calculate it. Okay, so I'm telling you since from the first video itself. So if you are just watching the video, you will not be understanding anything. So you just carefully watch the video first and then take a paper and practice it. Okay, definitely very simple steps it is consisting of. So practice it once or twice, definitely you will understand. If you still have doubts after practicing, so you can call me anytime. Feel free to contact me for any queries. Thank you.